Time has come. You are getting some SeaFoam, or at least the knockoff. So here's my 13 Jetta that got flooded out. Still riding pretty good. So to do this, I am just gonna pull one of the vac lines, the backside here, and let that get the valves in the part of the intake. So I'm hoping this will be pretty easy, and that the car should be warm enough, I believe. So I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod and let's do it. So we're gonna start by taking off a vac line on the back of the motor, located right here. So I'm gonna go do that. Perfect, and now we let it sit for a little while. So while we're waiting for this thing to kind of just soak the SeaFoam, I'll connect this vacuum line. All right, seatbelt on. Hopefully she's not too smoky, but I have a feeling it's gonna be really smoky. Got some lights on. Let's let her rip. Oh yeah, she's smoking. A little bit of smoke. So no lights besides the airbag, which is on because I removed the seats. So I gotta get that turned off. One more pull until traffic clears, and away we go. Yep, still slow, but it is SeaFoamed and it is no longer smoking. So that was a mistake, the garbage truck, but mission success. Let's see if my mileage increases. So I've been averaging between like 34 and 37 in this thing. That's a tank average because it doesn't have the computer that'll tell you the average. So if it goes up with my next tank, which is going to be slightly more highway, we'll keep you guys posted. So just a little basic economy car.